What's happening, YouTube? We got the moving dollies here. These are, I got 4 of them total. They're gonna come over here and they're gonna go onto the under the feet of the 770. We're gonna jack it up with the normal car jack, and then we're gonna take the 770 from here, move it over next to the laser, and then we're gonna come out here and we got the 1100 MX. And then this guy's gonna get unboxed, uncrated, and we're gonna bring it back in. We're gonna come through the garage door, and it's gonna go right there where the 770 is at. And then we're gonna build the workflow around this bench here, all the fixtures and everything like that. Got a ton of video footage coming up of this. My buddy Steven's gonna be putting together a bunch of edits. We should have like 3 or so videos coming out of the whole process. We're gonna unbox it. I'm gonna assemble it. We're gonna show rearranging and setting it all up, calibration, first test cuts, all that stuff. And I think later this week I'm gonna have a live stream. I'm gonna start taking all the shop update stuff, kind of pull that out of the videos, keep the videos more on topic of what's going on or what I wanna share with you guys. And then we'll have like a weekly live stream where I'll do shop updates, take questions, all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for all of that. Lots of great stuff coming. I'm gonna do some more of these shorts and get them posted, kind of like of the process. And then once the machine's in here and set up, I'm gonna do the first live stream. So stay tuned.